Holy shit, that took a long time. But these are ready to be carved. Some of them are really quite nice, I think. Like that. Especially like these ones. So now, what I need to do is I need to make... Oh, look at this one. Oh no, it says that. I'm gonna make some wood carving tools. Because why not? You know, I want to do this sort of as manually as I can. So making my own tool really quick sort of just feels right, you know? And I don't have a whittling set. I'm not buying a whittling set. So I'll make a whittling set. What do you reckon? Alright. This is the next step to my runestone carving video. Not sure what it is. I don't know, but I need to make these little whittling knives now because I'm not buying a set. I'm gonna use tungsten for some of it and then just hardened stainless steel for the rest, I think. Quick update, I've got 3 stainless steel pieces done. Decided, fuck shaping this. I started to try to grind it and you can't tell the difference. That makes sense though, because this is the tungsten I use for my file guides. So I'm not making these 2 right now. I'm just gonna make these 3. I was having fun working on this, but the belt's died. And I'm not going to replace the belt for this because I'm just waiting on a pre-wired together motor for the next belt grinder. So, on to the next project, I guess. This is now my belt grinder for the next week. Alright, here it is. The next fucking temporary solution until I get the motor on the next belt grinder. I think that'll work. Show him off. And to be a smart ass, look at this. Hang on a sec. I can make him rotate. You ready? Ho ho ho. Watch out. Watch out. Look at that. Everyone's always raving about tilting belt grinders. Voila, look at that. I've already tested him out a little. Let's raise a sharp that. I don't know why I poke it. Yeah, a little contraption fucking saved the day. I can complete the job. Alright, so I'm finally up to carving the faces of these rune stones, which I'm looking forward to. I took a sideline to make myself some little, some whittling knives, carving knives. But the Danish oil I used turned out to be expired. So after leaving it to sit for 3 days, and it still didn't dry, I just left this black shit everywhere. I used WD-40 to remove it, and I'm just going to use them as is. Because honestly, I thought these would detour me a day, and it's been almost a bloody week, I think. But I'm still back up to square with this project. So now we'll just have a compilation of me bloody carving all these, I think. Alright, one more tool to aid me in my project. I looked up jewelry vices and found a couple of real simple designs that, I used 5% of and then made my own contraption. But this, adjust him to wherever I need it, and this clamp is insanely strong. Hell yeah. So I need to be able to move this contraption more around my workshop, not just this one bench. So I'm going to use this piece and I'm going to attach it to that pillar, and I want it to be able to go and light this bench when I'm working over here, or this bench when I'm working over here. So let's see how it goes. Why not? I've got all of the main chores done for the day. Everything's packaged up. It's just been picked up from the workshop. So, hobby time. Alright. Problem solved. So, I can move this anywhere in my bloody workshop now. I've made a full gantry. And to reinforce the aluminium at the base, bloody made use of I think it's an old clutch that I claimed out of four-wheel drive. I knew it'd come in handy. Check this out. Yeah, I ended up having to make this part a little bit stronger, and I made it so that I can adjust this that little bit more. But how about that? Now I can light up that. That's effectively what I want. I also like to get camera angles from different spots though as well, so I can... Oh, if you adjust, yeah, there you go. I can actually just have that there, which is really easy. And then, hang on, bear with me. Well, not perfectly smooth, but, I can get it. I think I've already talked about it before, but holy shit, I can't wait until I can afford some proper servo motors, because I will be making a full gantry with a robotic arm that can go across the workshop. I don't know, I take on ideas that give me enjoyment and will keep me entertained, and I'll be entertained till I die at this point, so fucking one day I'll make that, but this will do for now. I went through this before, it's like a 9-axis arm at this point. I think that's what I'd want, 9-axis. Alright, there we go. So, got my Elder Futhark Runes, 25 of them. Got this where I want it. Got my whittling knives. I got my modified jewelry vice. Fuck yes. Where'd my light go? Wait. There it is. Alright. I can't decide if I should cut this out or just trace. I'll try to trace at the start. Alright. There we go. Alright, if this fails, then I'm gonna burn these in, but I think I can just whittle it out. And I also, I don't know, it's gonna really suck, because I'm gonna replace the entire set if I screw one of these up, because I want it to be the same piece of wood, and I've used up all the wood, but anywho. Well, I learnt an important lesson. This is not how I'm making these rune stones. I think I'm going to burn them in instead of whittling them in. That was way too small to try to carve in, I think. It was going really well until that got knocked off. So I'm just going to have to sand this surface flat, go on another face, and I'm going to make something that I can heat up and press against it to burn. Yeah, I reckon that should work. That's the next test. There you go. Well, it's not perfect, but honestly, I'm covered in runes, and they're not meant to be perfect, so I'm happy with that. Two down.